In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mind map with Miro AI. Whether you're brainstorming a new project, organizing your thoughts, or planning strategies, mind maps can be an incredibly effective tool to bring clarity and structure to your ideas. And with Miro's intuitive platform, along with the power of AI, you can take your mind mapping to the next level. Let's get started by opening up your Miro board. If you're new to Miro, it's a versatile digital workspace designed to facilitate collaboration and creativity among teams. Once you're on your board, it's time to locate the Mind Map tool. Look over to the left side of your screen. That's where you'll find the Creation toolbar. Search for the Mind Map icon. If you don't immediately see it, don't worry. Just click on More Apps and type in Mind Map in the search box. Once it appears, make sure to pin it to your toolbar. This will allow you quick and easy access anytime you want to use it. Now that you have the Mind Map tool ready, click anywhere on your canvas to create the root node. This is where you'll enter your central topic or main focus. This could be anything from a business project, a learning subject, or even personal goals. Enter your topic and take a moment to consider what specific ideas or subtopics you want to branch off from here. With your central idea in place, it's time to generate some ideas with the help of Miro AI. On your toolbar, look for and click the Miro AI icon, which is labeled Create with AI. This feature allows you to harness the power of artificial intelligence to expand your mind map creatively and efficiently. Choose Mind Map as the diagram type and enter your prompt. A prompt could be something like, Marketing Strategy Ideas for Q3 2026. Be as specific or open-ended as you like, depending on the direction you want your brainstorming to take. Once you've entered your prompt, let Miro AI do the heavy lifting. The AI will generate a structured mind map that extends from your root node, adding various branches and concepts that align with your topic. Miro AI's suggestions can provide fresh perspectives or spark ideas that you may not have considered before, creating a richer and more comprehensive map. Take a moment to review what the AI has generated. You have the flexibility to keep the suggestions if they're useful, retry to see new ideas, or discard them if they don't quite fit your vision. This ensures that the final mind map is tailored to your needs and preferences. And there you have it. You've successfully created a mind map using Miro AI. By integrating AI into your creative process, you can enhance your brainstorming sessions, making them more dynamic and less daunting. We hope this guide helps you unlock new possibilities and fosters more innovative thinking. Thanks for watching, and happy mind mapping.